Gerent Consulting is a silver Salesforce Consulting and Implementation partner with an 11-year track record of success. Gerent provides extensive Salesforce expertise with a dedicated focus on Salesforce deployments across all clouds. We employ proven best practices to successfully guide your organization through change, while delivering speed and agility with fast time to value. Our core services include consulting and implementation, quick starts, health checks, and digital transformation road mapping and execution. Consulting and implementation offers a complete solution from strategic consultation and solution design to implementation, success management, and support. Quick Starts gets your organization up and running on Salesforce fast, so you can achieve the quickest return on investment. Health checks identify barriers and challenges with your current Salesforce solution and provide a practical strategy for unlocking more business value. Digital transformation road mapping and execution provides strategic business planning to map out the best digitization path for your business. At Gerent, manufacturing is our largest focus area. We know how to help manufacturers get the most out of Salesforce technology. Gerent's extensive experience in the travel and hospitality industry inspired DeepQuest, a Salesforce-powered CRM solution that helps organizations of all sizes optimize customer relationships in the most affordable, flexible, and resource-efficient way. Finally, Gerent has helped advance the education and training sector, redefining and optimizing customer experiences for many global higher education companies. Achieve your customer success goals with Gerent Consulting for Salesforce.